Hello. This evening I'm visiting a farm in the parish of Rathangan. There are 4,000 farm families in County Wexford. Sadly, only 1,400 of these can claim to be independently economically viable. The average farm income is 24,000. This is 10,000 less than the minimum industrial wage. I grew up on a small farm where a family could expect to make a living. Sadly, small farmers, along with many working poor in this country, are now left without representation. Beef prices have collapsed below a sustainable standard. Small farmers will become a thing of the past. The government, the processors and the factories must take responsibility. Will we find ourselves in a position where the only beef producers are huge factory farms? Will the small family farm become a thing of the past? When will this issue be tackled?